In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CMS Hub to build landing pages. If you're new to HubSpot or just want a quick refresher on how to effectively create landing pages that will draw in your audience and generate leads, you're in the right place. To begin, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to go to their official website and set one up. It's straightforward, but for those who already have an account, just enter your username and password and hit that login button. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, the starting point for accessing all of HubSpot's powerful tools. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and navigate to the Content section. From there, select Landing Pages. This is where all the magic happens, as landing pages are crucial tools for capturing leads and converting visitors into customers. Once in the Landing Pages section, you'll see a list of existing pages if you have any, or you'll be prompted to create a new one. For this demonstration, I'll guide you on customizing an existing page. Choose the page you want to work on and open it. Now that you've selected the page to customize, the real fun begins. HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor is both intuitive and powerful, allowing for a vast array of customizations. You can adjust text styles, insert images, add calls to action, and more, all with just a few clicks and drags. If you're aiming for a specific style or need to align with your brand's themes, take advantage of these features to make sure your page stands out. One of the standout features of HubSpot's CMS Hub is the ability to customize the mobile version of your landing page separately from the desktop version. Considering how many people browse on mobile devices these days, it's essential your landing page also looks great and functions well on smaller screens. You can switch to the mobile view within the editor to see how everything aligns and make necessary adjustments. This ensures that regardless of how someone accesses your page, they'll have an optimized experience. And finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to bring your creation to life. At the top right of the editor, there's a preview option which allows you to see how your page will look once published. After previewing and making any last-minute tweaks, go ahead and click Publish. Congratulations! Your landing page is now live, ready to engage with your audience. Remember, a landing page is a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal, and utilizing HubSpot CMS Hub can streamline the process of creating effective and aesthetically pleasing pages. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.